Hello students, hope so everyone is fit and fine. So today students I will give you some question and answers from chapter number 4. So everyone take out your computer books and copies. I think so everyone is taken out. So students, at the top you write today's date. You are going to write this chapter in a fresh page, okay, because it is your new chapter. Write chapter number, name of the chapter, that is Advanced Features of Word 2013. Write date at the top corner of the page. Then you write question number 1. Question number 1. What do you mean by header and footer? What do you mean by header and footer? Question mark. For the answer you write, next line. A header is a piece of text that is printed at the top of each page in a document. Full stop. Then you change the paragraph and write, a footer is a piece of text that is printed at the bottom of each page in a document. Written. Full stop. Then you write question number 2. Name the tab that has the option to change the background color of the page. The background color of the page. Next line you write the answer. The tab that has the option to change the background color of the page is Fill tab. Is Fill tab. Fill, Fill, tab, tab. Full stop. Then you write question number 3. Differentiate between footnote and endnote. Differentiate between footnote and endnote. While writing the endnote, I have made the spelling mistake. You make it correct. END, end, NOT, note. Differentiate between DIFFERENTIAT. Differentiate between footnote and endnote. Next line you write the answer. The difference between footnote and endnote is that, give a hyphen, footnote appear at the bottom of the page, whereas endnote appear at the end of a document or a section. Clear? Then you write question number 4. What are the two parts of footnote or endnotes? What are the two parts of a footnote or endnotes? Question mark. In the next line you write the answer. The two parts of footnotes or endnotes are note reference mark, NOT, note reference, REFERENC, reference mark, and note text, NOT, note TXT, text. Then you write the last question. Question number 5. Mention the view in which headers and footers are visible. Mention the view in which headers and footers are visible. Answer. The headers and footers are visible. The headers and footers are visible in print layout view. In print, PRNT, print layout, LAYOUT, layout view. Print P must be capital, layout L must be capital. So students, this particular question and answers I have explained you before in my chapter. So today I am giving you this question and answers. This all topics I have explained you in the chapter. It's not it. So I have given you 5 question and answers. Question number 1 is your what do you mean by header and footer? Number 2 is your name the tab that has the option to change the background color of the page. Number 3 is your differentiate between footnote and endnotes. Endnote, make it correct, END, end, NOT, note. Question number 4. What are the two parts of a footnotes or endnotes? Question mark. Question number 5. Mention the view in which headers and footers are visible. So, this 5 question and answers, you are going to write it very nicely in your computer copy without any spelling errors. And learn this 5 question and answers as your homework. Clear? So students, that's all for today. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.